guys, I just wanted to show you something cool. It's like a glitch on here. And like, it's like this. Yeah. Kind of like that. If I could just do it again. Crap. Here, I'll be right back. Okay, this is the part. Ah, dang it. Oh, did you guys just see that? You actually gotta go in and then you can see the rest of the world. Here, I'll show you again.
What are you talking to?
Myself, I'm recording something. Trying to show YouTube a glitch on here.
You're going to sleep at 9.
I know. Oh crap. But if you guys saw it, just comment and like if you saw it, okay? Because I don't know if you actually saw it or not. Yeah, like that. Okay, see you everybody, bye.